Hey, what's up guys, Nagesh here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. Today's video is all about my top 5 stocks for coming week. This all stocks is for swing trade, not for a long term or a intraday. What you can do is you can keep these stocks in your watch list. If you see any buying momentum or any buying opportunity, you can go ahead and buy. And one more thing, this is not a recommendation, this is only for educational purpose. So before you take up any trade, please do your own due diligence. And let's start the video without wasting time. Okay, the first stock is Apollo Tubes. This is the weekly time frame. After this particular shot up, if you see this particular price range here, it's in sideway from almost 370 days. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. So let me go to the daily time frame. If you see the daily time frame, what you can see, you just what you can see. So I can see here exactly this particular resistance here, and at the bottom this support, and also in this particular pattern I can see one more resistance at the top. Okay, we have at the bottom we have around 1 2 3 4 5th. If you see this particular price range, let me draw. So whenever price comes to this particular area, the buyers are coming in, again they are pushing the price up, again it came third time, again it shot up, again fourth, again they pushed till here, and again here the price exactly near this, right now the price exactly near this particular support level, the buying zone. Whenever the price comes to this particular area, this support level, this support level, this support level, this support level, the buyers are coming in and they are pushing the price up. If you see this particular setup, we have a very good risk to reward ratio over here. If you are entered here on Monday, you can keep the stop loss below this particular support level, this particular trend line, and your first target should be this one, this resistance. Okay, if you are entered here, if you keep the stop loss below this particular support level, your first target should be this swing high. Okay, if you are ready to hold, if the the candles are looking good, if the market is looks bullish, and you can hold till at least till here. So once your first target hits, you can trail your stop loss and try to hold the stock as long as possible. If the price is looking good, if the candles is looking bullish, you can hold as long as possible. Okay, so the goal is simple, write the winners and cut off the losers. And the second stock is NTPC. So if you see the NTPC, I can see a very good resistance at the top. At the bottom I can see a very good support level from here to here. Okay, if you see the price pattern here, when the price went from here to here, it went around 35%. Okay, after that this particular resistance, the sellers came in, they pushed the market down, and it's almost consolidated, almost it was in sideway from almost 108 days. After that, from here it shot up around 23%. So right now exactly near this particular support level, the buyers are trying to push the price up, and the price is exactly near here, almost 25 to 26 days. So if you see this area, the price is consolidating nicely, and and also so we have a very good entry here. If you are entered here, you can keep the stop loss below this particular support level, and your target should be this resistance. The first target is this resistance. We have a risk to reward ratio here, 1:3.42. okay, and do not forget to keep the stop loss. Okay, the next stock is Dr. Reddy. Let me draw this resistance here, and let me draw one more support level here, and one more here. So if you see the price structure exactly here, whenever the price comes to this particular area, this resistance area, the sellers are coming in and they are pushing the price down. Okay, so again it tried to break, but it was not able to break it. The price exactly near this particular level, this is consolidating almost from 19 days. Okay, it's trying to break this particular resistance, but the sellers are not leaving to break this particular resistance. So what you can do, you can keep this stock on your watch list. If you see any breakout here, if you see any very good bullish engulfing candle or any bullish pin bar over here, let me mark. over here, if you see any bullish engulfing or any bullish pin bar, you can place order, you can buy place order, and you can keep the stop loss below this. If you entered here after seeing the any bullish engulfing candle, you can keep the stop loss below this, the candles, and your first target should be this one, this resistance. Okay, once your target hits, you can trail your stop loss. Okay, and do not enter now, just wait, let it let it break this particular resistance. After that only you try to take any position. Okay, so the next stock is Indaco. If you see this price structure, okay, this is the weekly time frame. Let me go to the daily time frame. What I can see in this daily time frame is I can see a very good, let me draw a resistance here at the top, and at the bottom I can see a very good support level from here to here. Okay, and also if you see this particular price structure, I can see a very good flag and pole pattern, right? So let me delete this. So the price exactly near the this particular resistance level. Okay, what you can do, if you see this particular area, the candles are this is not strong enough to buy now only, because these are small candles. We cannot buy only because of these small candles. You just wait for the very good strong candle. If you see any very good bullish engulfing or any very good buying momentum here, you can enter here, and you can keep the stop loss below this particular this level or this level. And after keeping the stop loss, for example, let me show you. If you enter here, you can keep the stop loss here or here. Okay, if you keep the tight stop loss, it may come back and hit. You can keep the stop loss here, and you can aim for 1:2. Okay, this high will be your first target. Okay, this swing high will be, let me mark, this swing high will be your first target. Okay, so if you see this particular setup, we have a risk to reward ratio here 1:3.16. Okay, so do not enter now, wait for the candle, very good bullish engulfing candle or any bullish pin bar. If you see any very good buying momentum, okay, you can, I'm repeating, if you see any very good buying momentum, then only buy, or else you just keep this stock in your watch list. Okay, this is the fourth stock, and the next stock is DCM Shriram. If you see this price structure, okay, this particular let me mark this particular price structure, what you see. So the stock is in sideway. Okay, the stock is in sideway almost from here 375 days. It is not gone anywhere. Okay, it's it just settling around here, and if it is went up again, down, went up, down, went up, down. So now we have a very good very good buying opportunity here. Let me show you. I can see a very good support level here. Okay, and at the top I can see this resistance. And if you see the price carefully, whenever the price comes to this particular area, which area I'm talking about, this area or this area here, almost here, whenever price comes to this particular area, the buyers are coming in and they are pushing the price up. Okay, the simple, there is nothing complicated. Okay, if you see here, the beginners also can tell that we have a very good support level, and this is a very good buying zone. So what you can do, you can keep this stock on your watch list. Price now exactly in sideway. Here also it's a sideway almost from 27 days, and you can keep this stock on your watch list. If you see any very good buying momentum, okay, very good buying momentum, you can enter here, and you can keep the stop loss below that. Do not keep too much tight, because do not keep your stop loss too much tight, because it may hit your stop loss and it may bounce back. Okay, and your first target should be this resistance. Okay, so as soon as your target hits, do not exit. Try to hold this particular any stock I'm talking about, only not this stock. Whichever stock you entered, you just try to hold as long as possible. You just have to hold the winners and cut off the losers. Okay, so this is the fifth stock. Okay, this particular setup, we have a very good minimal risk, so you can keep this stock on your watch list. If you see any good buying momentum, you can buy it. Okay, this all 5 stock is for swing trade, not for long term or intraday. So this is my technical analysis on my top 5 stocks coming week. So if you all like the content, if you learned something from this video, please hit like and subscribe and click that bell icon. And if you have any doubts, you can comment below. And if you have any suggestion also, you can comment below. Okay, thank you for watching this video with the patience. See you next time.